Hello, everyone. My name is Lucas, and I'm happy today to share this amazing tool with you. It's called Mendeley. It's a reference management tool, which I have been used for a couple of years, and I like it a lot. Today, I would like to give everybody a brief introduction on the basic features and functions of Mendeley, and hopefully you will like it and use that to facilitate your learning in the future. Let me share my screen. Um, So all you need to do is actually just log on to mendeley.com and register yourself account. Then what you will need is to download this Mendeley Reference Manager. It has multiple options for PC, for Mac, and also for Linux, as well as the web browser version, which you don't need to install locally on your computer. What I have been told is that Mendeley does not work very well on Macs. But unfortunately, I cannot speak to that because I'm not a Mac user. Um, and let's take a look at what Mendeley look like. Here it is. Um, the interface is actually pretty straightforward. In the middle, you have all your articles, and you have your authors, you have the title, you have the year, as well as the journal is published in, and also the when you added that to your library. On the left is going to be the actual library and also all the folders you have created to organize your articles, and some filters you can use, like filter by publication, by authors or authors keyword, etc. On the right, you can see some basic information of one article. For example, this article is published by um, uh, so and so, and also here's the abstract, and also all the meta information down here. If you happen to have that in your database, you can actually click on this little PDF button to open it, and then this basically just works as a PDF reader. Like out there, you can um, select and highlight. You can also right click or add a node, or click on adding nodes up here and type something here. You can also use different colors, or zoom in, zoom out, etc. So this part is pretty easy to use. And you can also take some general notes in this section to note down what you think. And here actually list all the annotations you have made by using the note feature. And here is basically what this software will look like. Then let's take a look at how to import data into the Mendeley. Personally, I have been using a tool. It's called Mendeley Web Importer. It's basically a Chrome extension. Um, all you need to do is install this extension and go to any pages that contains a journal article, for example, like this. It's recently published on computers in education, the relation between academic achievement and the spontaneous use of design thinking strategies. All you need to do is come here and click on Mendeley Web Importer, and then the tool will help you to pull out this information. And uh, Here's all the metadata here. Unfortunately, on this page, I haven't really logged in through FSU, so the PDF is not available. But if you are logged in through Florida State, or you actually have the access to that page, have access to the PDF on that page, it will help you to automatically retrieve the PDF. And also it will also help you to do retrieve all the relevant articles listed on this page. For example, the 8 articles on the in the reference list. So that's pretty handy. Well, once you are ready to save, you can click on Add. But before that, you might want to create a couple folders to contain to organize your library, so that your library is reasonably organized. For me, I usually create a folder for the projects I do, or based on my personal interest. And the good thing is one article can actually go into two folders. So you don't need to worry about assigning one article to only one of the folders. So you can click actually multiple and then add them. If you cannot find the actual website, you can always just add the article manually through import the PDF. And then the Mendeley is actually a pretty powerful system. It will help you to find out the title, the authors, and the rest of the information. You can also add a watch folder where you just download all your articles into that folder. Mendeley will help you automatically upload all the articles, all the PDFs in that folder. You can also add an entry manually by typing all the meta information at once. You can choose whether it is a book section, or etc. etc. But sometimes, web browser does not work very well, and we can have a lot of very messy information out there. Right. For example, this one, factors contributing to teachers burnout during COVID-19. I saved it, but there's no authors and really no meta information about this article at all. But luckily, we have the DOI number. So what we can do is ask Mendeley to help us to search. You can either search through here by clicking search, or just click on this little magnifier and look up all the information, and um, uh, then you will have it. The good thing is the Mendeley is sponsored through Elsevier, which is one of the biggest publishers in the world. It actually has a lot of data. For most of cases, it can help you to retrieve the correct information. So that's about Mendeley itself. If you need help in writing, Mendeley also have another tool. It's called Mendeley Cite, which is the word add-in. And you can use Mendeley to help you to manage all the work you have cited in one article and create a reference list automatically. It's very easy to use, and has a lot of features, and also help you to stay correct on APA format or any format you need to comply. This is another very interesting tool, but I'm not going to show you guys today because it's kind of out of scope. If you're interested in using one of these tools to facilitate your scholarly writing, feel free to, and have fun with it. I guess that's pretty much it, and I hope you enjoy using Mendeley. Good luck.